That's that white.
I think it's mugwort.
No.
No, it's not Queen. It's not Queen Anne's. I think this is.
No, I didn't say Queen Anne. It's root yarrow, common yarrow.
Yeah, I don't know.
Because that's what this was. It was over here. There's one. Well, that's not the same thing right there.
No.
I don't know what that is.
That's got a. Might be Queen Anne. That's deadly.
Yeah.
If it is, but it could be new. I don't know. What? No, I don't really want to walk that far. I have 2 bad knees.
I got muscle.
Yeah, well, you gonna pack me?
I can pack Frankie. Hey.
That's not saying a lot.
On the ball.